Fortinet NSE 7.0 Security7.2 NSE 7_OTS 7.2 updated online dumps are valuable for you to pass. Share some updated NSE 7_OTS 7.2 exam dumps here. 1. The OT network analyst run different level of reports to quickly explore failures that could put the network at risk. Such reports can be about device performance. Which Fortinet IEM reporting method helps to identify device failures? A. Business service reports. B. Device inventory reports. C. CMDB operational reports. D. Active dependent rules reports. 2. Which statement about the IEC 104 protocol is true? A. IEC 104 is used for telecontrol SCADA in electrical engineering applications. B. IEC 104 is IEC 101 compliant in old SCADA systems. C. IEC 104 protects data transmission between OT devices and services. D. IEC 104 uses non-TCP, IP standards. 3. Which 3 Fortinet products can you use for device identification in an OT industrial control system, ICS? Choose 3. A. Fortinet IEM. B. FortiManager. C. FortiAnalyzer. D. FortiGate. E. FortiNAC. 4. With the limit of using one firewall device, the administrator enables multi-VDOM on FortiGate to provide independent multiple security domains to each ICS network. Which statement ensures security protection is in place for all ICS networks? A. Each traffic VDOM must have a direct connection to FortiGuard services to receive the required security updates. B. The management VDOM must have access to all global security services. C. Each VDOM must have an independent security license. D. Traffic between VDOMs must pass through the physical interfaces of FortiGate to check for security incidents. 5. FortiAnalyzer is implemented in the OT network to receive logs from responsible FortiGate devices. The logs must be processed by FortiAnalyzer. In this scenario, which statement is correct about the purpose of FortiAnalyzer receiving and processing multiple log messages from a given PLC or RTU? A. To isolate PLCs or RTUs in the event of external attacks. B. To configure event handlers and take further action on FortiGate. C. To determine which type of messages from the PLC or RTU causes issues in the plant. D. To help OT administrators configure the network and prevent breaches. 6. A FortiGate device is newly deployed as the edge gateway of an OT network security fabric. The downstream FortiGate devices are also newly deployed as security fabric leafs to protect the control area zone. With no additional essential networking devices, and to implement micro-segmentation on this OT network, what configuration must the OT network architect apply to control intra-VLAN traffic? A. Enable transparent mode on the edge FortiGate device. B. Enable security profiles on all interfaces connected in the control area zone. C. Set up VPN tunnels between downstream and edge FortiGate devices. D. Create a software switch on each downstream FortiGate device. 7. To increase security protection in an OT network, How does application control on FortiGate detect industrial traffic? A. By inspecting software and software-based vulnerabilities. B. By inspecting applications only on non-protected traffic. C. By inspecting applications with more granularity by inspecting sub-application traffic. D. By inspecting protocols used in the application traffic. 8. What are two critical tasks the OT network auditors must perform during OT network risk assessment and management? Choose 2. A. Planning a threat hunting strategy. B. Implementing strategies to automatically bring PLCs offline. C. Creating disaster recovery plans to switch operations to a backup plant. D. Evaluating what can go wrong before it happens. 9. Which statement is correct about processing matched rogue devices by Fortinet? A. Fortinet cannot revalidate matched devices. B. Fortinet remembers the matching rule of the rogue device. C. Fortinet disables matching rule of previously profiled rogue devices. D. Fortinet matches the rogue device with only one device profiling rule. 10. The OT network analyst runs different level of reports to quickly explore threats that exploit the network. Such reports can be run on all routers, switches, and firewalls. Which Fortis IEM reporting method helps to identify these type of exploits of image firmware files? A. CMDB reports. B. Threat hunting reports. C. Compliance reports. D. OT lot reports.